Hey everybody, I'm gonna take a little drive around the farm today, but I just want to show. Alright, the battery stopped, so today I'm just gonna take a little drive around. It's too bad you can't see all the birds out there flying around. It's geese flying around, big flocks of birds. So I got out my two golf cars that I transport around here. I'm gonna take the Harley Davidson out today. Give that a run because I haven't had it out for a while. Let's take a little tour around the farm on the golf car. Alright, let's go. These cuttings a long time ago, back in 2017. They look pretty nice. There's my forsythias. They're little 5-inch sprouts. They look good. Happy with them. They look beautiful in the spring. Lost my pine tree. That's a shame. Golf cart, it really gives you a bumpy ride. Whew, that's a bumpy ride. I should have took you out on that. This is a good garden cart, but not one to go drive around not too far. Oh, okay, let's go over here. And it looks like you got some water problems in here. I don't know if I'm gonna be able to get out any further. Let's see here. Oh yeah, it's wet. Lots of rain having lately. Got here bubbling under my feet. Okay, let's see here. All right. Wow, this is flooded. That's about as far as I can get here. I don't think I can get any further. should have brought hip boots with me. Oh yeah, okay. Here you are. Out the first part here. It's like the deer, they come right through here at night. Today is December 24, 2023. Christmas Eve Day. Here in northern New Jersey on the blueberry farm. Let's see if I can get out of here now. So the plan here is try to grow some cabbage. I don't know if I'm going to be able to do it next year. It looks like it's, I mean, it could rain or snow today. Look at the path here where the deer comes through here. Look at that. Look at that. They're hanging out there. All kinds of animals out there. This is unbelievable back here because this is unexplored. Nobody can get back there. Years ago, it used to be a cabbage and celery farm here. And they went out of business during the Depression. And they never came back. I don't know if you can see the birds back here. Look at that. Flying back there. All kinds of birds and animals hanging out in there. There's a lake way back there. I tried to go walk back there once when I first bought this farm. I only got as far as that tree right there. And then I couldn't get back. It wasn't easy. Alright, speaking of getting back, let's see if I can get back here without getting wet feet. I got in here. I can get out of here. Alright. Yeah, where did I get in here? Look at this. Wow. Guess I can go here. Oh, here. Oh, my feet coming up. Okay, got that part. Oh yeah, nice wet feet. All deer paths all through here. Look at this, another one right there. Okay, see if we can get through the worst here. We got in and get out. Whoa! Whoa! Still not out of here. I guess I'll step right here. Yeah, okay. Alright. Alright, let's get going. Take the rest of the tour of the blueberry farm on the bumpy golf cart today. I guess I'll just head back the same way. I don't feel like opening any gates today. Edwards G tractor. I'm going to be rebuilding that or restoring it and getting it running. Shouldn't be too much to do. I just never got around to it. That one there runs really good now. So I just feel bad. I'm just leaving it sit here. It's not my intentions, but what are you going to do? I'll get it going. Alright. And my tractors, the 9N, the 2N, and the New Holland tractor here. This is the Botanical garden here. Let's take a look and see what's going on here. Okay, this is daffodils I planted here. We'll see if they come up. Right there, that is. This is the coneflower garden, a new one. Should be neat to see. Let's see, is there anything in here? I gotta clean that out. I'll widen these gardens here. These are annual gardens. These are perennial gardens here. The sister actually planted them here. It's pretty neat to see you coming up. This is the beautiful daisy garden here, all daisies. All mixed wildflowers all through here. You can't tell anything what it is now, but come this next year, we'll see it. This is the rose garden. Don't look like much. I should get the seeds from this yucca. This is the coneflowers here. They were beautiful this year. I'm leaving them up for the birds. They love to eat these seeds. So I'll leave them there. Let's see what's going on here. That's a weed here that's got to come out. Let's see here. Weed. Let's see. Where is that weed? There it is. Oh man, that thing really is stuck in there. Okay. More of the roses. This is the iris garden. Never could get it to go good. Weeds are crazy in this place. And here is the main part of the farm, the blueberries. Blueberries as far as you can see here. Look at that. Right down the line here. You gotta do a lot more pruning in there too. At one time, this blueberry part of this here was fenced in. That's why you see these trees here, because the fence was here. And they used to have a net over all the blueberries. And it was a mess, the fence, when I bought this property. So I recycled it and moved the fence out further to open up the property. Let's see here, it's got a lot of plans for next year. I haven't decided yet if I'm going to grow pumpkins or more potatoes. I know I'm growing pumpkins. Let's see what about the potatoes. Potatoes was very unsuccessful. I only got 5 pounds out of it this year. I don't know what happened. I'll never forget that problem. What happened? I don't know. Let's go over here. The new road tour did real nice in this area. This is where I had the Mexican sunflowers grown. They did pretty good. As you can see, I widened the garden. I'm going to be making more flower beds here. And that's what I did here. This was used to be two, now I made it all one. I figured, why not? Why divide it? Make one big one. This is wider here. There's some flowering shrubs I planted. Alright, let's hop back on the cart and take a little further drive into the back now. I don't see any daffodils showing its signs of growing here. I try all the time to get daffodils to grow here. No, just wait and see. They shouldn't be sticking their heads up yet. I'm guessing. Should not be, but who knows. Right here I have hyacinths growing. I don't see anything coming up yet. Too early. Alright, let's get out over there. Oh, and of course, the garden area. These are Shasta daisies right here. Look at that. All planted from the seed. And that's probably the third year now. There's the orchard and the strawberry beds and the garden area. I just rototilled this in time to dig up near all that stuff. Now I'm going to leave it sit over the winter. All the compost will deteriorate. Hopefully it'll be gone by then, and I'll rototill again. Did pretty good this year. Okay, let's get out there. And the tractors, as I said before, every tractor in this farm has a use. And they are always being used. This is the 9N right here, or the 2N, whatever you want to call it. I'm not going to argue about it, but that's it right there. And this is my 8N. I do have a grill for it. I have to put it on yet. I just got this 8N this past August, and it's been so useful. So what's nice is I keep the New Holland now to do any big bucket loader work or anything like that, and I keep this 9N to do brush hog work with. It really works great with the brush hog. If I put brush hog, I use that between all the blueberries. Excellent job. Got the Sherman shift lever there. Really fantastic thing to have. I actually think this has got more gearing power than the 8N. And the 8N, I use that to cultivate with and everything like that. It's really useful. And of course the New Holland, and over there is the G tractors. Okay, let's get over here. Head out. My sister gave me this sign, and it really describes what this farm is about here. I use no pesticides, and I attract the bird and pollinating stuff here, and this is what it is. Thank you, sis, for that sign. It really describes the farm. Okay, let's get out there. Oh boy, I got so many plans for this garden here in the Botanical Garden area. Wait till you see what I'm going to be doing. I'm not going to tell anybody now, but stay tuned. Just come on back, keep checking this channel. And if you are new to this channel, subscribe, hit that notification button, because you don't want to miss what I'm going to be doing this coming year. Alright, let's head out here. This is the Another garden here. It don't look like much, but this is the shade garden. It's going to be all beautiful shade flowers in here, and I started it already. Don't look like much now. It is December, but wait till you see. All right. These gates are fantastic to have here to get through these fences here. I no longer have to drop the fence wire to get out anywhere. I just open the gates. Fantastic to have. So this is just a little tour of the equipment here. What you need to run a blueberry farm. Here's my backhoe. Very useful to have. My big giant 7 or 8 foot mower here. I haven't had it out this year though. I used the brush hog mostly. I used to use that between the blueberries. It's just really hard to get between. All the equipment what you need to run a blueberry farm. Here's a subsoiler right here, York rake. See if I can remember all the names here. This is the post hole digger, Ferguson 2-bottom plow. All the attachments that go to the smaller equipment. Here's a cultivator right here, another cultivator here. These two attachments go to the David Brown tractor, walking on tractor. This goes to another type of tractor, walking on. Okay, you gotta have a mounting bar here. You have any problems put on. Here is my finish mower. It works good. Underneath there is my G tractor seeder. Look at that, look at that, yeah. Some miscellaneous equipment under there. I have all old equipment here, and I thought this quick release would be great. It doesn't work for it. There's my V plow wasn't just, I don't know what to do without that. It's just useful so much. My Ferguson cultivator, this thing really breaks up the hard soil. I'd use that a lot here now. And I don't know if you can see, I don't use it much. As you can see, the weeds are around it, but I have 2 disc plows here. This is one here. I don't really use that one really much. I got such a good deal and it came with this one. And my full-size disc right here. I use this every spring or when I plow to break up the plow big clumps. And you can never know, I had this out this past spring. This is a V to make V beds. That's what that's for. Here's some have Sears garden tractor attachments right here. There's cultivator, disc plow, cultivator right there. Yep. Here is my potato hilling that goes on the G tractor. Let's see if I can get some of this. Well, I just had this out this past spring. Look at this stuff that grows around. My rototiller, which is, you gotta have a rototiller that goes on a tractor. No way around it when you have a farm. And I got this really nice shovel here. It goes on a tractor. That, I got such a good deal on. You would never believe what I got that for. And my Ferguson single bottom plow right here. You would never believe I got these two pieces of equipment, $100. Nothing wrong with them. I used to work on a golf course, and they had a lot of equipment, but you know what? I've got more equipment than they do now, and it just makes life so much easier when you have the proper equipment to run a farm. And I started out, I had nothing. I just had a chainsaw, a golf car, and a pruning tool. And that's what I started out with. Oh, you got to see this. This was all brush here. I mean, thick. You could not even walk there. You would never know. I got to start. I'd make a video of what this place used to look like when I bought it. And this is the brush pile that came from everything out here. This brush pile is composting really nice. Yeah, every farm has a brush pile. That's for sure. I don't know really anybody that has a farm don't have a brush pile. Here in northern Jersey, this stuff grows like weeds. This was all brush. It looked like this. You're probably wondering why I've mentioned it many times, how I keep this brush here. Because it's beautiful, beautiful honeysuckle smell when they grow in the spring. It attracts birds and wildlife and bees. It's just very, very important for my blueberries. Where you gotta have these bees. They bumblebees. I love to see the bumblebees in here in the spring. I just come out here when the blossoms are out and just sit here and watch them work. It's just amazing to see. So that's why I keep that. You gotta have something to attract the bees, everybody. It's very slippery and slimy. If it wasn't for the grass, we wouldn't even be able to walk out here. This is my brother's boat here. I brought it up here because my sister enlarged her botanical garden at her house. So that's stored here. It's good here. There's a plow I got here. This goes to the my international garden tractor, and never put it on. I got another one somewhere in here that goes on the Sears tractor. Sears garden tractor. Well, let's go in here, show you our equipment. Alright, see if I can get the door open. Okay, so here we are, here now. I got two barns. There's one out here and one way by the house. There you go, International Harvester. This has got plow that goes on it. This I bought probably 2 weeks after I bought the farm. The little 24-inch rotting mower. That's what I used to mow everything with. Something. I got the fertilizer that goes on the tractor. Very, very needed to fertilize the blueberries. There's a garden tractor right here. I had this garden tractor since I was 16 years old. Can't believe it. Look at that. Got snowplow on, a grader attachment, 3-point hitch. It's amazing. There's a David Brown walk-behind tractor. Always wanted one of them. It's really a workhorse, but though you gotta really hold on to yourself when you use one of them. This tractor here, it's a tractor. It's actually a tractor, but there's no 4 wheels. It's 2 wheels, and they were made for large gardens or small farms. Back there, I just acquired, I don't know if you can see it in the dark shade here, the John Deere seeder. And it's a really nice shape. I can't believe I actually found one. And hopefully I'll get that out this spring to try it out and show everybody. There's another garden tractor there. It has a lot of issues. So it runs, but the electronic clutch that operates the mower stopped working, and I had to work on that. There's all the motorcycles back there and bicycles. At one time, they all ran. Well, actually, they still do, but they're in storage here. And they're out of the weather. They're fine here. There's the sweeper. My bicycle's here. There's the blueberry cart. And another cart there. Yeah, I got a lot of equipment, and you need it all. Nothing brand new here. All used. Fixed it up. It's the only way I can do it. I really got to get out that David Brown tractor and just do some work with it. It's just an amazing tractor. I got it running last year, and it has the attachments, plow, and the cultivator. It's pretty neat. Yeah, there you are, the fertilizer. Okay, let's get back to the golf cart. Close the barn up. Hang on, everybody. I just want to close this. Okay. All right. Uh-oh. Where is the clip? Shoot. I thought I put that. No. I gotta find out. Okay, hang on. Where did I put it? I put it in here. Yes, I did. Okay. I thought I did that. Stupid me. Okay. Yeah, if you don't put clips on these doors, I get a lot of wind up in this area, and it swirls around. It will rip the doors right off. So you see me right now trying to get this on. Camera probably looks crazy going on, but sorry about that. Okay, you gotta have that on. And I also put a stick in front of the door. Yeah, the wind really is bad here. Okay, on the other side of the barn. This is the irrigation pipes here. And this one time had all drip irrigation in the blueberry farm area here. I never took it out. I really got to go through this and see what's really neat stuff in there. All drip irrigation pipe. And again, you see nice benches all around the farm. When I work out here, there's always some place to sit. I'm going to try something new this year. I'm going to use more of the weed tarps in the garden area this year. See what happens. Oh, and let's see if the amazing, unexplainable daisies are out here and out there. Alright. 2 daisies. They've been out since April. They just stopped blooming in early December. Okay, let's head back. Hope you like this tour so far. So, lots of equipment. Alright, somewhere in here is the middle of in the middle here, there used to be a windmill. And let's see if we can find it. There it is. So, we always tried to figure out what this was that the owner put here, why it's here. And it is a windmill tail here, so that I think this used to be a windmill here. and that's what's let the, again, the wind really blows strong here, so if you have a windmill, it's not gonna last. I'm trying to look what the helicopter is flying here. Alright, let's head in. Getting whipped here. I guess that's it. Just got the greenhouse here yet. That's got cold weather cabbages in there, stuff like that. Alright everybody, I hope you liked this video. It's just, thought I'd just do a nice little video tour of the whole place. See what's going on, right? Alright everybody, thanks for stopping by. Stop by again, hit that subscribe button. You want to get this channel really popular and grown, and without your help it won't get anywhere. So I really appreciate you. Hit that subscribe button, hit that like button for me. You know, want to know more what's really going on, hit your notification button, and please stop by again everybody. Have any questions, please let me know. I'd love to hear from you. All right everybody, bye.